जो है 1995 से बैठे हैं। उसके बाद पहले ये जंगल था, कोई आता था ना कोई जाता था। उसके बाद में यहाँ न पानी की सुविधा है न बिजली की सुविधा है। दिल में अपने बहुत उम्मीदें रखते हैं, बहुत सोचते हैं हमें भी कुछ इंसान बनना है। हमारे बच्चे हैं, अनपढ़ हैं।
Laying in the vicinity of new government-funded flats, this small slum experiences some of the most squalid conditions in Delhi and all of India. Skilled craftsmen by profession, the Sindhi Basti community migrated from Rajasthan to Delhi over 10 years ago in search for a market for their handicrafts. Without much success, they had no choice but to find alternative means of earning a livelihood and settled in dilapidated slums in Delhi's Vasant Kunj area. Their homes are made of waste material, they have no access to water or sanitation facilities, and they cook amidst the smoke of chulas on the mud and garbage-strewn grounds of the slum. This was over 10 years ago. Their conditions still remain unchanged.
कुछ हमारे राजस्थानी भाई हैं, कुछ हमारे हरियाणा के हैं हम, और हमारा मिट्टी के जो बच्चों के जो खिलौने वो बनाते हैं। राजस्थानी हैं, वो बेचारे मेहनत करते हैं, लेबर का काम करते हैं, खुदाई का काम करते हैं। और कुछ आदमी खिलौना जो है लेडीज़ वगैरह लाकर बेचती हैं। अब वो हमारा काम थोड़ा मंदा हो रहा है, इसमें भी हमें बहुत परेशानी आ रही है।
With the community having to give up their traditional means of earning a livelihood, making handicrafts, they have no reliable source of income, and the children too must take to begging on the streets instead of attending school. Six months ago, Rashi Anand, founder of NGO Lakshyam, found out about the plight of the Sindhi Basti community and decided it was time to make a change.
I started Lakshyam 7 years back with the aim to empower and educate not so privileged one in the society. So if we talk about this particular community, there is lack of awareness, there is lack of water, proper health and hygiene. So we are trying to overbring the entire hurdles of the society in a powerful and most sustainable manner.
Under 10 of the inhabitants of the slum are able to read and write, all of which are men, and 1/6 of the children attend school. Those children that don't go to school work from the age of 4 years, selling cheap knickknacks in the Delhi red light district, or simply just begging, because they have to help support their families.
हमारे पास फीस भरने के लिए पैसे नहीं है, बक्सा जूते किताब लाने के लिए पैसे नहीं है। हम बहुत गरीब हैं, खाने के लिए भी हमारे पास पैसे नहीं आते, इसलिए हम और दूसरे से उधार लेके जब खाते हैं, फिर मांग तूंग के कहीं पे भी जाके हम पैसे ला के जोड़ जाड़ के जब उनके उधार के देते हैं। हमारे पास ना खाने के लिए है, ना पीने के लिए, ना स्कूल जाने के लिए, ना कुछ करने के लिए। एक टाइम हम भूखे भी सो जाते हैं। हमारे पास ना खाने के लिए ना पीने के लिए।
The Sindhi Basti is one of the thousands of faceless communities in India that have to deal with issues like lack of sanitation, education, and basic means of earning a livelihood. With over 20% of the Indian population living below the poverty line, their alleviation can only be a result of fundamental changes in society.
We think the major problem here is that these women, these families, they don't have any work in rural India. I believe, because I've been working in this particular segment since last 7 years, the solution lies in providing them work in rural India, be it farmers, be it skilled craftsmen, be it any other community. If they have certain amount of work in their own areas, they would not shift down to urban cities like Delhi, Bombay, Pune and look for work. And they come down to these cities believing that they will find work and money here, but ultimately they are staying on roads here also with no access to food, water or any other basic amenities as well.
थोड़ी सुविधा होनी चाहिए गरीब आदमियों की, साहब यही चाहते हैं हम लोग सरकार से, ये हमारी प्रार्थना है। हमारी वोट लिस्ट बने, यहाँ हमारे मीटर लगने चाहिए गरीब आदमियों के, पानी का सुविधा होनी चाहिए, लेटरिन बाथरूम की सुविधा होनी चाहिए गरीब आदमियों की, हम यही चाहते हैं। धन्यवाद।
जैसे करते हो वैसे करो।